Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix problem with the Epic Game Launcher Setup Wizard on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the installer from the official Epic Game website. If the file is corrupted or incomplete, the Setup Wizard won't run properly. So delete the old installer and download a fresh copy. Next, try running the installer as administrator. Right-click the epic installer.exe file and choose Run as administrator. This gives it the permission it needs to install. If the setup wizard freezes, check your disk space. Open the file explorer on your PC, then click on this PC and make sure your C drive has a few gigabytes free for installation. Another common fix is to temporarily turn off or firewall software. Sometimes security programs block the installer from completing. Don't forget to turn them back on once the launcher is installed. Also, make sure your Windows system is updated. Go to the settings on your right hand side, click on Windows Update and install any pending updates. Outdated files can stop the setup wizard from running correctly. If you are still stuck, head over to Epic Game Player Support. They can give you advanced solution based on your PC setup. And that's it. By re-downloading the installer or running as admin, freeing up space and updating Windows, you should be able to fix Epic Game Launcher setup wizard problem on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.